Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today we are going to draw a sketch. I grabbed my pencil and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So let's start it. You can use any kind of pencil. Here I'm using this red color pencil. You can use any kind of normal pencil that you have. So let's start it. So at first what we are gonna do is we are gonna draw a round. It's like a ground. At first we are gonna draw a air ground like this. I hope you can see it. This is the we are gonna fix it. So this is the basic shape. Now we are going to draw the hand. So what you have to do is put the center mark, like the center mark like this, then the eyebrow, nose, lips. Yeah, it's done. I mean the pointing is done. Now we're gonna do the details, but at first I'm gonna do the hand, like the chin. By the way, let's fix the face shape first. This is the disadvantage of using a color pencil as pencil is you can't erase it. This is the problem. But I thought let's do it because I really like this using color pencil as pencil. I really like it. So that's why I thought let's give it a try. Now we are drawing the ear. By the way, there is another news that I want to share with you. One of my friend is going to Canada for her study, and I'm so happy. Her name is Valentina, and she is going for study on Canada. In Canada, she is going to study from there, and I'm so happy that she got the chance. She got scholarship there for study. She's gonna, and I'm so happy for her that she is going to be there. I have interest in study abroad, but you know it's quite expensive. You can not everyone can't afford it. So of course I'm unable to go, but if I get the chance I will go for sure, and I have planned to complete my PhD there. Though for my PhD there are a lot of time I have, a lot of years I have before my PhD, but I have planned to study about. It's quite fun, I think, but I know that there are struggles that students have to do who does study in abroad. I know it's tough, but it's not impossible. Like, you can do it. I'm really happy for her that she's going there for her study. If you are a beginner, then I will recommend you to use pencil. Though I am learning sketching, but I'm not a beginner because I have learned so many things and I'm not a beginner right now. I have completed my yearly times in this field, in this sketching field. Yeah, it's done. Now the nose. Nose. Like this. This is the highlight point of the nose. Now we are going to draw the lips. In my previous video, I have shown you how to draw lips. Today we are gonna just follow that. At first, draw 2 dots. We have to fix the upper lips. Though it's really hard to remove the color, you can't remove it, but still I'm trying. Maybe you're thinking that I could use pencil, but I thought this, give it a try. Let's try something new. Yeah, let's try something new. That's the reason I'm doing it with color pencil. Now we are going to draw a hand. There is a earring. Now we are going to draw hand, At first, draw like this. It's really tough to draw hand. Then what you have to do is like this. There is another finger. We can't. The end is not looking that much good. Oh my god, what I've done. Okay, let's carry on it. We're gonna fix it. And draw the neck. It's almost done. Now what we're gonna do is done. Actually not done yet because I forgot the hair. Don't forget to do the hair. Why I keep forgetting things? Oh my god. Was done. Now I'm going to do some outlining. It's not needed, like you can skip this part, but if you want you can do it. is done. I'm done with my sketch. Thank you so much for watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share. If you want to watch something related drawing, you can also comment it. I will try to do it. So bye.